Hello and welcome to Coding Pandit. In this video series, we are discussing Problem of the Day by Geeks for Geeks. In this problem statement, we are given a string. From that, we have to find out how many word or substring balloon can be obtained. So, we have to find the maximum possible number of the word balloon in this string. So here the rule is that a single element in the string can be used only once. Meaning, let us see, if there is a word A, B, C, D, A, B, C, C, B, A, D, and we have to find out how many ABC can be found from this. Then if we choose this ABC once, we will not consider it for the twice. Now we will choose this one and this one. So total 3 can be found. Here ordering of this element does not matter. So how can we find this? So we need to first have all the frequencies, occurrence of all elements in a table frequency. So we will use map or set. So here we will first have for A, B, C and D. D comes twice, C comes thrice, B comes thrice and A comes thrice. And now we need a hash map for this one. Here A need 1, B need 1 and C need 1. So using this we can compare here. For one word we need 1A, 1B and 1C. So to increment word count, we need to subtract 1 from each. So to do so, we will use looping, and for this we will subtract its frequency from here, and up till now we will have a frequency of these 3 together, not just any of them. If all of these or any of this, if any of this becomes 0, then there no word can be found. So we will stop the counter and return it. So let's start coding for the same. Here we will use map of character and int to have the frequency of the each character in the string. So from for every character we are having the frequency here. Now we are given with the strings, so we need to check if these are present in the strings. So what we can do, we can have the minimum number. In this case, if we check on all of this, let us see, in all of this C, B, A, B, C, in all of this, which one is minimum? Let us check the minimum. Let us say in this case the minimum was 1, and if we found this minimum here in corresponding element, then one word is possible. If it was 2 and the element's frequency here was 2 or greater than that number, that many possible. So likewise we are using here we will look for first character B, the balloon, and we need one character one character of A, but for L we need two characters. So the number of this character we will divide by 2, so it will be counted for 1. So likewise, if there exists 4, then it will be counted 2, that is, two words can be formed from there. Likewise, for so in this way we did. So we need to return this errors. So again, let's stand what we did here. So here, let us see the word balloon. So we need 1B, 1A, 2 of balloon, 2L, 2O, and 1N. So these many possible. So if, let us say, there exist B, A, L, O, N. In that set, in this one, let us say count is 2, here it is 3, it is 6, it is 2, it is 1. So in this case, we are looking for if the minimum occurrence of these unique characters. So what we are counting, for any word we are in need of 1. So likewise, the occurrence of L as many times as it was, we need twice, so we will divide it by 2, so that for every 2, one word can be formed. From every 2, one word again can be formed. So this the minimum number from this will be the answer to the word. So let us compile and run. Yes. So it compiled successfully, meaning there is no syntax error and no logic error. So let us submit. It is always recommended to first compile and run to check the spelling and syntax error if there is any. So all test cases were passed successfully. So thank you so much, guys, and keep coding, keep improving your skills, and peace.